Welcome back. Today I'll be talking about the Kansa Organics Ayurvedic wand, the Kansa wand. And this comes from an ancient medicinal philosophy called Ayurveda. This thing has been around for thousands of years, and it's basically just a metal top here on a wooden stick. And what this metal does is it actually pulls acidity from the tissues. You always want to use an oil, just like when you're doing the gua sha or using any kind of holistic modality. They sent me this oil here, which you can use all over on your face. And then what you want to do is work in circular motions from the inside of the face. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise, whichever feels good for you. You can go as slow or as fast as you want. And just work it. Work the skin, work this metal into the tissues. Not only are you massaging the connective tissues, but you're helping to pull the acidity from them. And then you might get something that is called like graying of the skin. So it's really fascinating when this happens. You'll actually see that your skin starts to turn gray. It might take a few minutes for this to happen. When you're working with this Kansa wand, you'll see that you'll get some pink blood circulation coming up. That's great. Just work in circular motions from the inside to the outside of the face. It's very relaxing. You can actually do this as a meditative practice, allowing yourself to slow down, take time for yourself. Make sure your skin is clean, of course, before you apply your oils and before you use your modalities. This wand is very simple, but it's also very effective. If you have dry skin, for example, you might feel a little bit of itchiness. That's okay. I'm gonna see if we can bring up the graying here. I already feel like my face is turning gray. Can you guys see it? I'm going over the nose area as well. In between the eyebrows. And the pressure here is just light to medium. There we go. You see the gray? It's coming out. So you guys can see I've been doing this for about 2 minutes now, and the gray is starting to come out in my skin, which means that this is working. It's pulling out the acidity from my tissues. And I'm just gonna go over everything again to help bring out a little more gray. And then you'll wash your face with a gentle cleanser or warm water and soap, preferably organic soap, just to get it all off your skin. All right, so as you can see, my skin is already getting gray after using the Kansa wand for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep in mind that when you're removing this gray from your skin, it's just the acidity that you've pulled from your tissues. So use a clean towel, one that you particularly don't care about getting gray. You can easily remove the gray by using warm soapy water. And definitely go over those congested areas, the nose. And if you're interested in purchasing this Kansa wand, you can just visit their website. I'll leave the link below. Also bring this down on your neck too, if that feels good for you. I like to use this to sculpt under my chin here. Wow, so my face is very gray right now, and you can tell that it's working. I've been doing this for about 5 minutes now, and I'm going to go and rinse it off with warm water and soap and a nice cloth. So I'll be back and then I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so I have rubbed off only one side of my face, and you can see the difference. This is much more bright, and this side is still gray, but this is what my towel looks like. You can see that some of that gray acidity has come off on it. I use an organic baby bamboo burping rag to take off all my masks. After you're done removing all of this, oh yeah, you can really see it in the forehead there. Whoa. After you're done removing the gray from your face, you can rinse it with cool water And then just apply your favorite hydrosols, toners, moisturizers. So there is that. My skin is glowing and it feels really light and very refreshed. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below so that other viewers like you can see my video content and learn all of my pro tips and tricks for using holistic skincare and modalities. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.